how my champion is doing. Right? We already know what we got going on here. Saturday. Sunday, March 14th, 2021. Right? Shout out to all my P4V champions for making this movement what it is. Becoming the best versions of yourselves. Doing what y'all need to do, right? Got the pay for value hat on. Go to the Champions Playbook merch to pick one up. Right? Pay for some value, right? Have this mindset wherever you at. Want to go over a few things. Go ahead and sit down. Just cheer. And that is, think about the development of your concept, right? Have it be something. Now, mine being the Champions Playbook, that it really goes into so much. It can be built. I can build so much on top of it. I think what a lot of people don't do is they just think of something and then they might have to tear it down or whatever the case is, because they didn't think of the long term, how they can build with this long term. But with whatever you start, just think about the concept and think about how you can build that long term, right? So that's very important. You want to think about that, right? And so, take at least a month when you have an idea what you want to do to think about your concept, right? Take notes, right? You have a smartphone, you have a note section. Take advantage of that. Take notes, right? Think about that kind of stuff, right? That's very important, right? And think about the different things, ways you could add value to people's lives, right? If there's like with me, cryptocurrency, I realize it's one of the biggest, hottest. It's hot, smoking hot. So if I can add some gear for people that are into the crypto space, I like to do that. And I've already thought of different things that I can do to make that possible, right? And I'm gonna bring that to people. People are gonna get that. So be on the lookout for that for sure. So just always think about your concept, right? Think about what's your process to getting it to your people or the people, future people, for putting it out there, putting it in the universe so it could be out there forever, right? You gotta remember, we're not gonna be on this universe forever. It would be nice. So as we leave our impact and our legacy, that's what we want to do. As we develop our concept, we think about some of the most legendary concepts. Like Nipsey Hussle, to me, has one of the best one. Dorian from Group 82 talked about it. Nipsey said, the marathon continues because it is a marathon. It never stops. You running laps. You always going to be running laps. Mind the Champions Playbook. You always going to have to reach into your playbook to figure something out. It's never over. You always going to have to reach into that Champions Value Mindset Playbook. You're going to have to reach into the travel playbook because you're going to have to travel. You're going to have to reach into the fitness playbook, right? So with me developing the Champions Playbook, my goal is to give people guides. These playbooks are guides to, okay, I'm traveling. What should I bring with me? Okay, I'm traveling. What should I be doing when I'm out there? Okay, what kind of breakfast should I eat? What kind of protein shake should I bring with me? I'm giving everybody gems, and I'm also coming out with courses, coming out with, all kind of different things so people can experience this stuff and level up and move up. That's what it's all about. So think about your concept. I want you to think about that every day, right? Think about your concept. It's huge. It's important, right? Take some time for yourself and your brain and think about your concept. I want everybody to have an amazing week. This is the start of the week, this Sunday. Got some cool stuff I'm doing while I'm out here. Business trip. So everybody stay locked in, stay tuned in, and we're going to put it all together. Everybody have an amazing week. I'm going to be with you. So be looking forward to hearing what everybody's doing.